welding defects that are very much. uh, Today we are also going to again for the welding defects, and these are yesterday in the last lecture we discussed some of kind of weld defects, and in further the in that we are going to again discuss some of the other kind of defects that are occurring during the welding operation. So as we discussed in the last lecture that some of the excessive reinforcement leading to kind of extra material below the base material as well. इस मटेरियल को हमने बर्न किया था, पिघला के वेल्ड किया था, बट अब क्या है, इनसफिशिएंट रीइंफोर्समेंट. सो जो रीइंफोर्समेंट का मतलब जो शेप देना है ऊपर का, और वो प्रॉपर ना होने की वजह से इस तरह की दिक्कतें आती हैं. सो द डेफिनेशन रिलेटिंग टू दिस insufficient reinforcement, that is especially defined by the standard. Typically underfill may be up to 5%, so that is underfill. uh, that is the insufficient reinforcement, that there is no proper filling of weld material. So that is also the part of that particular underfill as well. So we underfill that the portion we discussed, but how much the underfill is to be created, that is the underfill may be up to 5% of metal thickness, not to exceed 1 by 32 inch, as long as thickness is made up in the opposite, and the reinforcement not applied on the fillet weld. So that is only going through the fillet, not fillet weld, on the butt weld. So on root reinforcement to weld filler metal will cause the thinning of the filler metal in in the upper hand position, and too hot too wide while cause dropping the prevention. So this is basically when it happen, what we need to do, we need to repair. So it should be repair, possibly simply increase the face reinforcement, and if back welding is, that is the insufficient uh, weld uh, that providing by the welder due to lack of experience, or due to lack of some kind of we can say the kind of ignorance of the code and standards. So due to that this kind of a problem arises, and when the weld exhibited less than a 135 transition angle and the weld to it causing the poor welding technique, and prevention is to use proper technique, and weave or wipe motion can often elimination the problem. And how to repair the weld face must be feather into the base material. So that is how we can maintain this improper weld contour. Now the next one is the overlapping. So overlapping, as it is clear from its name that the overlapping मतलब एक के ऊपर extra material चढ़ जाना, that is kind of a overlapping, and these problem are very common. uh, so these overlapping or the rules are protrusion of weld metal beyond the bond and the toe. So that is happening in the butt and the fillet welding as well. So when the face of the weld extend beyond the toe of the weld, the that kind of a problem is arising. As you can see, there is an extra overlapping of the material is showing in the figure. Tilt of electrode is making the fillet weld in the horizontal position, so that kind of wrong positioning of electrode leading to this kind of overlapping problem. And these are again, as I said, that the causes of these overlapping are the improper welding technique. Discussing this overlap and this defining the with the definition, when the face of the weld extend beyond the toe of the weld. So the toe is that is the portion of the toe that portion. The overlap measure with the square edge such as 6 inches rule. No amount of overlap is typically allowed. So that is the toe to, and that the overlapping is showing over here. As you can see that they may be caused by the excessive welding current and the wrong tilt of the electrode. So that's why we discuss about the importance of the welding parameters, that how these welding parameter are playing a very vital role when we are performing the welding. So the little consideration is most required when we are performing the welding operation. So and this is how this kind of the problem to be overcome, or by excessive work angle in the weld uphill side. So that kind of problems that is relating to the welding overlapping. And if we are talking about this overlapping in making circumferential shim, that is right. So that is the circumferential, or on some kind of you can say the boiler uh, or the drums like shape. So that's the kind of overlapping may be result. And when the electrode is offset too much or the too little from the 12 clock position, that is the rule for the welding. And due to that, overlaps are accompanied by lack of fusion, and the cracks and the other defect may be overlap portion of the weld. So that problem that we need to take care. And the prevention is that overlapping is a contour problem, that the problem welding technique will prevent this problem. And the repairing of these particular overlap must be removed to blend smoothly into the base material, that we need to clean the particular weld material from the base material, and carefully deep grind mark that run the transfer to the load. And also be careful of the fusion discontinuity that is the hidden inside the particular weld bead. So that overlapping is tends to produce the kind of a mechanical notch, and it is also parallel to the weld axis as well, where the stresses will build up, and that start a cracking. So at the sharp point where the weld metal and the base metal come together at the overlap area, that means we are performing, when we perform the kind of a fillet weld or the butt weld. So that kind of a problem is arising. So the built-in crack are also places problem. And these overlapping are not permitted by the codes, and that the standard that we are following, and therefore need to be chip off and weld be ground to proper shape. So that overlapping material is to be ground off, means we need to chip off and clean from the any kind of excessive contour of the particular weld bead. So moving further, is now we are at the burn through. So this burn through is nothing, just lack of और lack of नहीं कह सकते, otherwise हम ये भी कह सकते हैं due to the uncontrollable welding parameters. So what are the definition of this? When under undesirable open hole has been completely melted through the base metal, the hole may or may not be left open. So what are the causes? The causes is the excessive of heat input, means अगर आप ज़रूरत से ज़्यादा उसमें हीट को सप्लाई करेंगे, सो इट मे बी पॉसिबल कि जो मटेरियल है बेस मटेरियल है और जो इलेक्ट्रोड से मिलने वाला मटेरियल वो इलेक्ट्रोड से ज़्यादा हीट निकलने की वजह से जो बेस मटेरियल है उसको पिघला दे और जो मटेरियल है वो बाहर निकल जाए. सो दिस बर्न थ्रू that is the preventing of this, that to reduce the heat input and by increasing the travel speed. So as we also discussed that we cannot make the higher travel speed as well, so we need to maintain according to the standard. So these burn through and incomplete fusion, that is happening in this particular burn through system, that is the causes for occurrence and may include the excessive root gap and insufficient root phase or the excessive weld current coupled with the low welding as well. So सिर्फ हम वेल्डिंग जो हीट इनपुट है वही, और साथ ही साथ अगर रूट गैप ज़्यादा है, मीन्स दोनों बेस मटेरियल के बीच का गैप अगर ज़्यादा है तो भी चांसेस हो सकते हैं कि मटेरियल फ्लो कर जाए, बाहर निकल जाए. तो रूट गैप को भी फिल करना और प्रॉपर डिस्टेंस पे रखना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. एंड it is also having with the high welding current coupled with the low welding speed. So due to the low welding speed it may be possible that वो वही वाला फंडा हो सकता है जैसे कि वो प्रेस को रख के छोड़ देगा कपड़े पर, भूल गए तो क्या होगा, प्रेस वहाँ पे चल जाएगा. तो बट वेल्डिंग में इतना देर तो छोड़ेंगे नहीं, बट हाँ अगर वेल्डिंग को हम लो कर रहे हैं तो क्या है, हीट कॉन्टीन्यूसली जनरेट हो रही है और ऐसा पोर्शन आ सकता है जहाँ पे उसको मेल्ट थ्रू होके बाहर निकल जाए. सो दीज आर द मोस्ट ऑफन डिफेक्ट and that occur in light gauge material as well and in making the first part in the multi layer weld as well. तो जहाँ पे हम मल्टी लेयर वेल्डिंग करते हैं वहाँ पे इसके चांसेस होते हैं, तो इसीलिए रूट गैप को पहले प्रॉपरली भरा जाता है. और अब मैंने कल भी बताया था रूट गैप के बारे में. सो सम टाइम अ बर्न थ्रू दैट वी टॉक अबाउट द मे बी यू कैन से that due to the sagging of copper backup plate or the bed of the flux. So there is a possibility when we are performing the weld, we are providing a supportive strips below the base material where the weld to be start, like अगर हम किसी तरीके से दो पीस को जोड़ रहे हैं तो दोनों पीस का जहाँ जॉइंट हो रहा है उसके नीचे एक बेस एक एक्स्ट्रा मटेरियल हम फिटअप करते हैं, ठीक है, कि जिससे कि जो मटेरियल है वो बाहर ना निकले अगर हम रूट गैप को ज़्यादा रख रहे हैं तो उस चीज़ को भी अगर प्रॉपर तरीके से हम एडजस्टेंट नहीं करेंगे तो इस तरह की प्रॉब्लम आ सकती है. सो दीज आर द वेरी बेसिक्स ऑफ काइंड ऑफ welding defect that is allowing all the time, and that is the how to invent this particular, that we need to chip off all the extra materials and then re-weld, so that will cost the welding operation and the manufacturing as well. Now the incomplete or the insufficient penetration, that is relating to the it is clear from its name as well, that the incomplete and insufficient penetration. So when the weld does not extend to required depth into the joint root, that causing the incomplete fusion, and that incomplete fusion causes that is due to the low amperage, low preheat, tight root opening, fast travel speed, short arc length, and so on. So these factors can be minimized, so the weld defect can be avoided. So the lack of fusion is the that is defining the incomplete fusion that may occur between the parent metal and the weld metal, and also between the various layers in the multi-pass welding as well. So the main causes that we discuss of insufficient welding current and offset of the electrode, जैसे इलेक्ट्रोड अपनी जगह से डेविएट हो गया, द एक्सिस ऑफ द वेल्ड क्या वर्क एंगल आप दे रहे हैं, सो और अगर ज़्यादा वेल्डिंग स्पीड दे दे रहे हैं या फिर इन प्रॉपर वेल्डिंग प्रोसीजर को फॉलो कर रहे हैं, सो दैट द एजेस आर नॉट मेल्टेड थ्रूली एंड ओवर दिस कॉजेज ऑफ पुअर फ्यूजन that leading to the improper joint preparation and the fit and inadequate beveling and narrow spacing as well as that improper edge cleaning and from the slag after the flame cutting. The dirt rust scale are available, and due to that rust scale, एक सेकंड आ रहे थे 2 मिनट, right. So we were talking about this multi-pass welding, and that is the due to the lack of fusion usually occurs and at the beginning of the weld. So that is why the use of the starting tabs run in plate is recommended, and sometimes lack of fusion across the section of the weld may be required. So the improper fusion, that lack of fusion is not merged with the upper and the lower portion, as you can see here, and this lack of root fusion on the pipe is most detrimental at the cold lap or on the multi-run weld. So when we perform the tensile and the bend test during welder approval, that test that are used to check and remedy this defect. So the like undercut and kind of a lack of fusion appreciably reduces the strength of the weld and makes the welded structure unreliable. So these should be rectified by chipping back and rewelding. So due to that rewelding, we can uh, maintain these kind of problem. Okay, so these problems are very much familiar when these kind of in proper way of welding is to be stabilized, and that is the incomplete fusion penetration, that is also known as the lack of penetration as well, and that is then again the lack of kind of system where the weld metal does not form a cohesive bond with the base material, and it is happen due to the low amperage, steep electrode angle, fast travel speed, short arc gap, lack of preheat, electrode too small, unclean base material, arc is off, and how to prevent it, eliminate the potential causes that happen due to which the incomplete fusion is happening, and these lack of fusion, that is the incomplete fusion, is caused by decreasing in the welding current or by increasing in the arc voltage and the welding speed as well. So the repairing is to remove the and reweld, being carefully completed, remove the defective area, and this sometimes extremely difficult to find out. So These are the incomplete fusion as lack of side wall fusion, as you can see in this particular figure. So that kind of a lack of fusion is creating a kind of a problem when there are the welding speed is higher, and the arc and currents is also playing a vital role, uh, that decreasing and increasing the arc, increasing the arc voltage and decreasing the welding current and speeding the welding speed, leading to this kind of improper fusion in the material. And as you can see, the walls of these particular due to the uneven heating and cooling. So this is the detail of this particular incomplete and lack of fusion system.